Create a market code-wise sales in 2018 report using Excel, with the following data fields: INV NBR invoice number, INV date, exchange rate, SO type, ORD NBR order number, order date, prom date, customer ID, name customer, customer class ID, CUS class description, CISPER ID, market code, ship state, INV ID, investor description, key ship, CAT prefix, curry cost, curry sales price, curry list price, disc percent, curry total cost, curry to INV, curry ID, family, CPPR class sub, primary vendid, alternate ID, CPI promise date, CPI revised date, initial list price, curry to miscellaneous, curry to FRT INV, curry to merch, curry balance due, T ORD, CUST ORD number, sales and inner,